I'm just frying off the turkey in some olive oil before adding the remaining. I have worked as a home economist and cookery writer and have written more than 24 cookery books now. I care passionately about healthy eating and just how important a healthy diet really is. Eat Well to Age Well, my latest book, is all about why a healthy diet is so important. Let me show you how to make just a few of the recipes from the book. So the first recipe I'm going to make is the turkey stir fry. I have already prepped the ingredients, so we've got celery and spring onions, fresh pineapple, carrot, courgette, red peppers and parsley, turkey strips, ginger, red chilies and garlic. And in here I've got a little of the juice from the pineapple with some stock. You need to read the recipe, obviously. I'm going to start by adding these strips of turkey to the hot olive oil. I'm going to fry the turkey for about a minute just to get some colour before adding the extra ingredients. So I'm now going to add the vegetables. So that's the red pepper and the celery, the courgettes, carrots and red pepper. It really doesn't take long once you've added the vegetables, about a minute or so, and then you're ready to serve. So I've continued to stir fry for about 2 minutes and everything is now delicious, smelling wonderful and ready to serve, with of course healthy brown rice.
Beverley's put a lot of energy and time and her experience into this book, so it is absolutely a one-stop shop of information and fantastic recipes. So each recipe is bringing in the nutrition that you need, and what she has done, which is very clever, is they're recipes that anybody can do.
So now I'm going to make sweet jacket potato with tuna and yoghurt filling. The first thing I need to do is to prepare the potato for the microwave. Cut into the potato and spraying it with a little olive oil. This took 5 minutes in the microwave at 700 watts. Now I'm going to prepare the filling for the potato. The recipe in the book actually uses smoked mackerel, but today I'm using half a can of tuna. We're now going to simply cut the potato and squeeze it up so that you've got somewhere to put the filling. And you simply add the filling to the jacket potato and top it off with a little basil. I hope you've enjoyed seeing just 1 or 2 recipes from my book, Eat Well to Age Well.